Hello everyone, so today we have Convoy M21K with this green camo, LHP73B with 5000 Kelvin of color temperature and a TI lens. So let's start. So before we start, this doesn't have the general 10 group or 12 group mode, so this only has a regular 5 step or 4 level and a turbo, so turbo 1 and turbo 2. So let's start with the lowest brightness. So this is the lowest brightness. I think we do have a moonlight. Okay, this is the moonlight. So let's start with low. I think this is still, we can use this for walking. Sorry, level 2. Very nice. This is better for visibility. Level 3. Okay, now this is pretty damn good, and I think this is the brightness which we can easily use on a regular basis, which is plenty bright, you can see. And this is level 4. Wow, crazy. And this is not even the turbo 2 or 20 amp push, right? So this is level 1 turbo or turbo 1, which is pushing the 10 amp. So this is the turbo 1, which is pushing the 10 amp. Let's click and hold. So this is turbo 2, turbo 1. Sorry, my bad. So this is turbo 1, turbo 2. Let's take a quick walk. I can easily tell you that it is damn bright, and this is on the turbo 2 right now, so I'm just leaving it for turbo 1, and this is plenty bright. Very good color temperature, very good color temperature, to be honest. So this has a larger hotspot, and then we have a softer spill or a corona, and then a softer spill. So you can see this is the cutout. This is turbo 2. Very bright. And this 5000 Kelvin color temperature is really nice, and I hope the camera is able to do justice. In real life, I can see the tree much greener and the grass is much greener. So let's put it back to turbo 1. And if we keep it in turbo 1, it does get hot, but it is still manageable. But the moment I start for turbo 2, I can easily feel immediately it starts getting hot. And LHP73B is a hot emitter when it is pushed for turbo. Alright, so this is M21K with LHP73B 5000 Kelvin emitter. Let's head back inside.